isang nangyayari sa buhay ko. One time, when I walking along the street of Isunan, near the Bay Ansel building, I saw a tricycle running near me, kung saan nakatatak na go home before dark. So, I really finally go home. When I arrive at home, there is an explosion happening in the national highway where I stand. That it means to say that Blessed Mother give me some signs to be aware and to be protected always of my life.